Alright, let's get started with problem 11 on the homework packet. So, let's start off by reading it, shall we? So, how many distinguishable ways can the letters of the word Louisiana be rearranged? And so, we came to the conclusion that this problem was indeed a distinguishable permutation problem. Consider the fact that not only does it say distinguishable in the question, but the word Louisiana and permutation doesn't allow repetition. And so considering Louisiana has repetition of I, both I and S, we kind of just distinguish and delineate it. So we'll first start off with the equation. And the equation would be n factorial over n1 factorial, n2 factorial, and 3 factorial, and so on to nk factorial. But it doesn't stop there. So first what we did was we labeled our k variables. And so our k variables are letters in the word Louisiana that don't repeat or that have one variation of themselves. So you would have 7 of those, 7 k variables. And then we just did our basic, this part right here. And so you would have, for n1, let's just call that L. Yeah, and you have one L. For n2, you have one letter O. For n3, you have one U. For n4, you have one S. For n5, you have 2 I's. For n6, you have 2 A's. And for n7, you have 1 N. And what does that spell? Louisiana. Okay. Louisiana. So, now you would just do your basic approach and plug this into the equation. Now for your numerator n factorial, your answer would be 9 factorial, considering that there are 9 letters in the word Louisiana. So, 9 factorial. 9 factorial over, so we're going to simplify this because I don't think we should write all of that. So we're going to simplify that to, so at 1 factorial is just 1, and we have 5 1 factorial, so we won't use that. So, and you have 2 of 2 factorials, so we're going to do 2 times 2 factorials times 2 factorials, if you understand.
Because it's 5 ones.
No, 1 factorial is 1, so you don't have to do that. 5 factorial is 120. And so, and that's really all you would do, and then you would plug that in your calculator. You could do that. So it would be, let's just do, it would be 9 factorial over 2 factorial times, wow, that's a mistake, times 2 factorial. And if done correctly, you should get 90,720 possible ways to rearrange Louisiana with no repetition.